Do you realize that if your parents found a dimension of God, and when they gave it to you, they passed it down to you? Do you realize that your seeking Jesus will be from a different level? Some of us are struggling to accept God as Abba because our father was. Imagine that your mother was Catherine Kuma. You think you'll be known now? There is a dimension of God that you met and met. See, I'm not telling you to pray for now. Pray so that when your children come, they will have met a dimension of God. My children, your children are waiting. They are waiting for a dimension of Jesus. Oh, arise. You are too complacent. You are too cold. You are too cold.